Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. How? So, have you ever wondered what you need to do to actually be certified and make a difference when it comes to winning large cleaning contracts? Well, one of the things are certifications, but we never really know which ones are important and where we should go to obtain them. So I'm going to give you a list of certs that really set our company apart, and a lot of our clients and our students will really say this is where it made a difference, in addition to the other things I've covered, which are having that differentiator. So if you want to know what certs make a difference, hold tight. In this video, I'm going to give it to you. Ready? Let's go. So I'm going to look at my handy dandy notes because I want to make sure I give it to you accurately, and so that way you can write down the ones that are beneficial to you. I would say probably choosing 2 to 3 is a good starting place, and then move, maybe add one once a year. Some of them can be expensive, some of them are free. So ready? Let's go. The first one's going to be Osha. Osha has free training, and so you want to go to OSHA, put in free training, it'll bring up what they have. But one of the certs I think is a great one is the Osha, OSHA, Safety and Health Specialist Certified Program. Great one. The second one is my recommendation, Certified Educational Facilities. That is a CEFP, Certified Educational Facilities Cert. Check that one out. Next, we're going to go to the Cleaning Industry Management Standard Green Building Cert. That is the cleaning, so it's going to be CIMS, Cleaning Industry Management Standard. They have a green building certification program. Green building, really big, certifying sets you apart. And number 4, you could actually look to be and have a custodial tech cert. Custodial tech cert. You can actually go to the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association, which is ISSA. That's the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association. They have a lot of those certifications. Next, we want to look at maybe getting a certification as a Registered Building Service Manager. That's a Registered Building Service Manager. Great cert to have. Number 6, Certified Building Service Executive. This is a big one. Certified Building Service Executive. Definitely made a difference in our business. Last 2 are going to be your Biohazard Cleanup Cert. Can be expensive, really worth it. Biohazard, big money. And the last 2 are kind of the same. And this is if you're wanting a certification in carpets or floors. IICRC, which is the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Cert. IICRC, Institute of Cleaning, Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Cert. So that's the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Cert. Really sets you apart when you're looking to focus on floors. They have a floor program certification and carpets. If you're really wanting to be serious about scaling to what I always say, 6 figures and beyond, how? In this type of environment with so many people not going back to the traditional offices like they used to, there's going to be less office space to clean, which means that it's going to have to be you that are looking to make sure you do that. So this is one of the ways you can do that, and that is having your certifications. Really important. If you're looking at doing commercial, these are great. If you want to learn more all about certs and doing systems and setting up and marketing and getting attracting your customers and acquiring them, then guess what? Sign up for our free 6 figures and beyond, getting that contract within 30 days Masterclass workshop. Love to see you there. Space is limited. Click the link for the description below and make sure you register now. Until the next video, take care and be safe. Bye-bye.